Alright, hey, welcome to a video of gardening with Brian. So I just excavated my bed here. I took that much dirt down to the bottom and then filled up all these buckets that have tomatoes in them. This whole row is all tomatoes. This one is potato, tomato, potato, tomato, potato, tomato, potato, tomato, tomato, tomato. And then I got this mixed stuff to put it all in and fill this spot up with. It's more than I need to fill it, but I've still got 2 flats and a half. So 1836, like 44 or so of these giant tomatoes from Kenny. So we'll see how that goes. And what I did here is I took a rain gutter and I put 2x4 on each side to give it a level base. So when I water, I just gotta water that trough. Whereas these guys, they have double buckets because I only bought one to see if it worked for me. And it did, so I'll be getting a couple more lines of them for all the rest of the tomatoes. And those will be going out there, kind of where the grill is right now, which is going on the deck out there. And yesterday, we're going to walk up front, because I still got to clean this up. But I'm just covering the camera so you don't get dizzy watching me walk. Mom gave me all these hostas. I'm going to put some hemp specks around them, and I'll take some pictures when I'm done. Make it look better. Water them. I've got Christmas lights up here instead of that regular light there, so I could put a white light there to actually make it super bright out here if I needed to. But these are the LED ones. They're like $4 a piece. 2 of the green and 1 of the blue. The whole house has got the blue around it. But yeah, so today's project was potatoes, tomatoes, get some of them outside. Everything's been watered once. I'm waiting until the sun gets a little lower to water again out here, just so nothing gets scorched, because these guys have all been in the house. You know, well, they've been out for a few hours a day, but mostly been in the house under the grow lights, and I just don't want them to, I just don't want the sunlight to burn them. But I've got little, something ate, like 8 of my lettuce the first night. So I got these skewers, and I put a little palisade wall around it to protect them. And I did put the peppers out too. 3 peppers over there, 1 in this corner, 1 more there. And now a train is coming, of course. So I'm gonna end this video and throw the dirt in there. And God bless you. Have a great day and happy gardening.